Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change call screen in iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you want to change call screens, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your phone app here and then tap on this contacts option. Once you open contacts, just select the contact for which you want to change call screen. For example, I'm going to select this one here. Just select that and then tap on this contact photo and poster. Then select poster from here. Once you have selected poster, now you have to simply select the call screen. You can choose anyone from here if you want to select that, or if you want to select it from your gallery, just select this choose a photo option, or you can tap on this photo option here. Then select photo library, or you can also use your camera to take a photo here. Just take a photo. For example, I'm going to take a photo here. Once you have taken a photo, tap on this use photo option and then it will be set. Just tap on this done option here. Now whenever you will receive call from this contact, your caller screen will be like this. Simply tap on this done option here and it will be set. So in this way you can easily set call screen in any iPhone for any specific contact. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.